Did you know that you can create confidence with your outfit? Clothing can be used as a resource and you can tap into it to create a powerful authority in your office. Hence, here comes 5 tips for you to look authoritative other than layering. Tip number 1. Darker colors project authority, hence prefer wearing navy blue, charcoal or black color. Tip number 2. Prefer wearing solids as compared to checks and stripes as compared to prints. Prints make you look more approachable. Tip number 3. Full sleeves look more powerful. Then comes 3/4 and after that comes half sleeves and sleeveless is most approachable. You generally tend to wear sleeveless when you are on vacations or when you are casually dressed up, when you go out with your friends, etc. Tip number 4. Wear firm fabric as compared to pliable fabrics. Firm fabrics such as cotton, linen make you look more authoritative, and pliable fabrics such as crepe or georgette would make you look more approachable. And lastly, tip number 5. Wear closed footwear. Footwear that cover your toes. Footwear in which your toes are not visible. Prefer shoes as compared to sandals. For women, heels also look authoritative. Question for today. Someone asked me, does hair or beard also play a role in looking authoritative? Yes, they do. Forbes magazine that projected 100 powerful men, 90% of them had short hair and they did not have beard. I hope that answers the question. The celebrity today has topped all the polls as far as popularity is concerned. He is the 3rd most followed political leader on Twitter right after Obama and Trump. This is about the most talked prime ministerial candidate of 2014, Mr. Narendra Modi. Be it his half-sleeve kurta, which he carries with panache, or his crisp Nehru jacket that almost gives him an enduring charm, BJP's frontrunner has definitely influenced an entire generation of young politicians to groom themselves better. His preferred fabrics are cotton and linen, and he loves wearing jackets, which are commonly now known as Modi jackets, says his designer Troy Costa. They also help him look authoritative. Either it be a Bulgari frame of spectacles, or a Movado watch, or a Montblanc pen. They all have a special place in his wardrobe. The brand today, JetBlue, is India's largest exclusive menswear store, which is a one-stop solution for fashion forwards, and the range varies from formals to casuals, tradition to accessories. The brand boasts bespoke tailoring and customized designs using the highest quality fabrics. From sherwani to suits, kurtas to casual shirt, this brand certainly has everything you could ask for. The Chauhan brothers, Bipin and Jitendra, seem to have hit the right chord as they are the ones behind Modi's signature kurtas.